Welcome back, Taylor Cooks. You see the size of this pan, it's got the weight of it, it's just unbelievable. That can mean only one thing, it's curry time. Yeah, so it's the end of the month and nobody's got any money, so I thought what we do, see what's in the cupboard and I'll make you a nice little curry. So it's Madras based, got some lentils which are going to go in, some chickpeas which are going to go in as well, and we've got bits of the peppers that we've got left over. So I tell you what, before we do that, I'm going to make some naan bread, if that's alright with you. Get that rested and then we'll go on to this. So here's our naan bread. So you can't beat with a curry, you can't beat a nice garlic naan, especially if they're fresh as well. So this is a really quick, tasty one, which you don't have to leave all day to ferment and all the rest of it. So self-raising flour. Let's get a couple of cups of self-raising flour. Let's get some yogurt in there as well. This is bicarb of soda. I'll need a spoon of that. And this is warm milk. All come together nicely. Righto, let's go down to our curry. So what I did, I got some onions and I put them in water and I put them in the microwave for 3 minutes. And then I'm going to strain those off like that, and then I'm going to blitz them up into pulp, and this is going to be the basis of your curry. So this is one of Al's tricks. Right, let's get our onion in. It's a great pot. You just can't see over the sides. So we've got our onions in, and in the meantime we've got some peppers, chilies, spices, lentils, chickpeas and tomatoes there as well. So I'm going to drain the chickpeas. You can put the juice in if you want. I don't like it, I'll be honest. So I'm going to drain, I'll put our spices in. Like I said, it's a Madras base. So if you look on the screen now, you can see exactly. Turn this off so we don't burn the spice. There's our spices in, and we've turned the heat off, and we're just leaving it for a minute. I'm going to add some garlic, because I like garlic. So the water that we saved and the onions, that can go back in now. Add our tomatoes, some peppers in. Chili there, which I'm going to split down the centre, and that can go in, seeds and all. As you know that I like my chilies, so let's put this one in as well. Lentils, half a bag of lentils, touch of tomato puree, and that's it, lid on. We'll come back and finish it in about half an hour.